small Java program, a shopping program. So I enter the shop. Welcome to Kyle's Weapon Boutique. What do you want to buy? 0 Tesla Tower, 1 Cannon, 2 Rocket Launcher, 3 Ion Cannon, or 4 Dark Matter Gun. So this is a program that I made, and it's a shopping program. So yeah, they can buy a selection of items and it prints how much it costs and blah blah. So I'm gonna run it. So what do you want to buy? I would like some Tesla Towers, so I'm gonna enter 0 for Tesla Tower. And then yeah. So you want to get some Tesla Towers, pretty electric. How many do you want? I'm going to maybe 3 of them. Okay. 3 Tesla Towers will cost you $44.97. This is a typo, by the way. It should have been said cart. Do you want to keep those items in your cart? 1 for yes, any other number no. I'm gonna add those to the cart, so yeah. Your subtotal costs is $44.97. I'm going to continue shopping. So true meaning yes. And what else do you want to buy? Tesla Tower, 1 Cannon, 2 Rocket Launcher, 3. Maybe I'll add some rocket launchers to my cart. Alright. So you want to get some rocket launchers. How many do you want? Alright, I'll probably get some. I think they're a bit more expensive, I think, or maybe they're almost as expensive, as pricey as Tesla. So 4 of them, I would say. So $61.97 is how much 4 rocket launchers costs. Do you want to keep these items in your cart? I'm gonna choose yes. And yeah, I'm gonna keep shopping. So, and what's my next item? I want to buy an ion cannon. 3. I'm gonna choose ion. You want to get some ion cannons. How many would I like? I would probably take 1 ion cannon. Okay. And 1 ion cannon will cost you $69.99. I'm gonna keep that item. And I want to see what's the last item. Oh, that was a weird number. I'm gonna continue shopping because I would like to check the last one. This is what I want. Dark Matter Gun. Okay. I would like to buy 1 of the Dark Matter Gun, which is not item number 4. Okay, so you want to get some Dark Matter Guns. I want 1 of them. Okay, so the price will cost you $450.23. That's really expensive. I don't think I'll have that much money. I don't think I have enough money for that. So I'm gonna decide not to keep that item. So it's too expensive. So no. And this is the cost right now. So I'm not gonna continue shopping. I'll take out false. So these items will cost you a total of $176.92. Please come again. Okay, so yeah, this is my program in which it's a shopping program. So I'm going to explain how I made it. If you guys know how Java code is, then this can help you understand it. So yeah. So this is my entire program, how I coded it. And yeah. So let me explain this. So first you have a double of subtotal. That is the subtotal cost to keep track when someone shops. So it starts at 0, and when they decide to get items in the cart, the subtotal will increase. So there's a boolean that continues shopping. It will be set to true because this boolean value is either true or false. So This boolean will be handy when someone wants to keep shopping because the program will be in a loop. Is scanner variable scanner input and string items list. This is an array of type string. These are all of the items currently in the boutique. I might add more, but 4 will be enough. And this is introducing the shop, welcoming people. Alright, so by the way, I'm really new to coding, so I am not an expert, and this is not like meant to be a full-on tutorial on any concepts or specific concepts of Java. This is meant to give you tingles. This video is meant to give you some tingles and just some explanations. If you know Java, that's great, because this is how I coded this program. I just want to kind of simply wanting to explain how I coded and how this works. So yeah, introducing the items and my shop, and it will run in a loop. So continue shopping is true while he shops for the first time. It's gonna prompt, what do you want to buy? And I provide a list of the items: Tesla Tower, cannon, rocket launcher, and the ion cannon, and the elusive dark matter gun. Okay, so these are all of the items. All of the items. And yeah, and those numbers are what the users have to enter. So if they want a Tesla Tower, they have to enter 0, 1 for cannon, 2 for rocket launcher, 3 for ion cannon, and 4 for dark matter gun. And this int item D, it gets the user to input that number, which is the item ID. And this line prints, so you want to get some, and then concatenates, and this thing accesses that array, and which lines up with the number. So if I get Tesla Tower, this will access the 0th index of this array, the Tesla Tower. So yeah, and I'm going to ask, how many do you want? And quantity will be, they will get the user to input how many of that item, the quantity, how many items of that, how many of that item they want. So 3 Tesla Towers, for instance. So yeah. So this message, I'm gonna print out a message after saying this amount of Tesla Towers or something will cost you the price. And I actually made a method that calculates the price. So this method here, this method calculates the price of that item, and the quantity it's gonna multiply from the quantity. This method takes input item number, which is the item ID, and the quantity. So this double array, I set an array of type double, representing the costs, which line up to the corresponding item of that. So Teslas each cost $14.99. Cannons cost $6.99, and so forth up until dark matter gun, which is the most expensive one, which costs $450.23. Word quiche, pretty expensive. is pretty darn expensive. $450.23. Okay. So it's a bit windy. It's really windy outside, and it is pretty cold. So I just had a pretty bad sore in my mouth, and which it was really hard to talk. So So these prices here are the price lineup, and it's gonna get the price excess that index that's equal to the price. Since this Teslas, for example, are equal line up with that price, Teslas will cost that price. So this cost will be costs item number. This is the index in which accesses these prices based on the index, and times multiplies that by how many of that item. So 3 Teslas should cost $14.99, which is here, times 3. And I'm going to return that cost. So back to the main method. I'm going to print out the message that this many item here will cost you. Get the price of here. And it's gonna ask, do you want to keep those items in your cart? I'm gonna fix that typo. And one will be yes, any other number will be no. This will be handy if someone wants to change his or her mind. And then set another variable 2 for the answer. If it's 1, it's gonna add the price of those items to the cart, which is a subtotal mark. Else, keep the subtotal the same and discard those items. And then it's gonna print out the subtotal cost so far, total cost, and prints, do you want to continue shopping? Yes, true for yes, and false for no. And this is where the continue shopping boolean becomes handy. Okay, so it gets the user to input either true or false, and it updates boolean if user wants to continue shopping or not. So if the user decides to continue shopping, which will be true, it's gonna run this loop again. Or else it will exit if it will be false. It's going to exit. This will be false. It's not going to run this loop anymore. And so it can exit the loop. And the total price will become the subtotal. Okay? And yeah, it tells the user to come again. So yeah, I'm trying to get this video to at least 15 minutes. So I'm going to run this program once more. So run. Okay. Welcome to Carl's Weapon Boutique. What do you want to buy? 0 Tesla Tower, 1 cannon, 2 rocket launcher, 3 ion cannon, and 4 dark matter gun. So this time I have an infinite budget. Doesn't matter what budget, because let's say that I have an infinite amount of money and I can buy whatever item, and that the items are infinitely in stock. So I'm gonna prepare myself for World War III. No, it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna prepare myself, set up a big fort, and I'm gonna protect myself from intruders. So let me prepare myself really good. So I'm gonna get a bunch of Tesla towers. I'm gonna fry up the shop. I'm gonna get all of the Tesla towers. I'm just gonna get 45 of them. No, okay, so I was supposed to put the item ID. I put the quantity accidentally, so I'm gonna put, 0 Tesla tower. I would like 55 of them, let's say. Okay, do you want $26. Okay, I'm gonna keep shopping. Continue shopping. True. And I need ion cannons really badly, so three. I want as many as I would like. I would like a bunch of them, so 150 ion cannons will do the trick. Wow, that is very expensive. $10,498.50. That is heck expensive, but yeah. Who cares? I have infinite money. So one. I'm gonna continue shopping. And I can't leave the shop without any dark matter guns. With no dark matter guns, so I'm gonna buy some dark matter guns. And I would like probably 100 of them if I have 100 people and 100 soldiers and get 100 dark matter guns. That will do the trick to protect my fort. Quiche. Okay, so 100 dark matter guns and $45,023. $45,023.00. That is very hecking expensive, and I want to keep it. I really need them, and I'm gonna exit the shop and check out falls. And yeah, so these items will cost you a total of $59,141.95. Please come again. I will do once I run out of them. Okay, so this is my entire little shopping program I made on my own. This was not part of any assignment or thing. It's just my own program, just for fun. It's a pretty simple program. It's nothing too complicated, and yeah. So if this gave you the tingles, please drop a button down below. And please subscribe if you want to see more content of me coding ASMR and giving you tingles. And for those who have already stayed with me in the channel or have already subscribed, thank you very much. I'll be glad to make more tingle-inducing ASMR coding videos. I might do Java, maybe do some HTML/CSS, I'm not too sure. Hopefully. So yeah, Quiche.